Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I prepare this delicious yam and plantain porridge. The list of ingredients are: here I have salt, maggi and fresh pepper. I also have two types of onions, white and purple onions. I'll be using blended crayfish. Then I have my vegetables. I have fried mackerel fish and I have palm oil. And finally, I'll be using yam and plantain. In here, I have already peeled and cut both the yam and plantain into my desirable shape. You can cut yours into any shape of your choice. I will go ahead to place this into the pot and then add water. If you are new here, you are welcome. Please do like and subscribe, share and leave your comment. Thank you. I will use this opportunity to give a shout out to Temilayo and Mom channel. Thank you for inspiring me to make this video. At this point, I will be adding onions into the yam. I like onions in my food a lot. And now I will be adding salt and then stir this together. I will go ahead to cover this up to cook for 8 to 10 minutes and then I will reopen the pot. Guys, can you see how bubbling it is? At this point, I will be adding the fresh pepper and then add the next ingredient. Now I will be adding my crayfish and thereafter I will go ahead to add the fried mackerel fish. I will be adding the maggi at this point and then stir up everything together. I will cover up again and allow this to cook for 2 to 4 minutes and then we open the pot. Guys, as you can see, it has thickened up and now I will stir it before adding the next ingredient. I will be adding palm oil at this point and then give it a stir. After adding the palm oil, I will allow this to cook for 1 to 2 minutes. I will finally add my vegetables and mix everything together to combine. You can use spinach, you can use any vegetable of your choice. After adding the vegetable, I just allowed it to cook for some minutes because I will not allow my vegetable to overcook. Guys, at this point, my yam and plantain porridge is ready. I will go ahead to turn off my gas cooker and I hope you try this out, and if you do, please tag me. Thank you for watching up to this point. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.